Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Gwen Stefani and GXVE. You guys know I love a good red lipstick. Like, some of my favorites are, I love Pat McGrath's red lipstick. I love Hourglass. I loved KKW's red lipstick. That was beautiful. I also love Dior's red lipstick. I have a few loves of red lipsticks. I just think they're timeless when you get the right color and the right red, and it makes your teeth look so white, which is a bonus. So, of course, Gwen Stefani is known for wearing red lipstick since she started her career, I think. But I wanted to try her red lipstick out. And I got the I'm Still Here Longwear Clean Matte Liquid Lipstick. I got the liquid lipstick instead of the regular lipstick because the liquid lipstick, when I swatched them in the store, just looked prettier seemingly on my hand. So I haven't tried it on or anything. It just looked prettier in the store. That's about it. I'm not a big matte lipstick wearer, but it didn't look really matte in the store. So I don't know. We'll see. It retails for $24 and you get 0.17 ounces. It is clean at Sephora, so it's vegan, cruelty free. It's supposed to be long wearing, and it's a lightweight, long wearing, and transfer proof clean liquid lipstick in an ultra matte finish. And let's see, it says on dry lips, define and shape with the edge of applicator, then fill and perfect. This buildable formula goes on in one swipe but can be layered. Wait for the formula to dry down before applying a second layer. Who's made that mistake before with matte lipsticks, trying to goop more on, and it just does not go well. So let's open it. I got it in the original recipe because why not? You know, let's try the original one. Isn't this pretty? It says me, you, yours. And GXVE. You can't miss this, can you? With the gold top. It's very Gwen Stefani. All right. Wait a second. This, guys, this literally smells like cake. It smells like birthday cake. Now I got it all over my hands. It smells like birthday cake. Yeah, it smells like birthday cake. Okay, let's put it on. Let me move my mirror over here so that... Okay, let's put it on. This is pretty. Yes, this is pretty. This is like a true red that's like, hi, I'm here, and I'm not very subtle. And I'm not trying to be subtle. Yeah, this is pretty. You know, this is like a have your hair in a chignon or a bun and minimal eye makeup and just let the, smile and the red lipstick speak for itself. That was a lot, wasn't it? This is pretty. Let me put on another layer. Sorry, my lips are a little bit dry. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's beautiful, right? That's pretty. It's so weird because I have makeup on this hand from my foundation video. So my hand looks like this, it's all smooth, but my real hand looks like this, and you could just see the veins in my hand. That's so funny. But yes, okay. I don't think it's dry yet. So let's take a moment, shall we? All right, it's been a couple more minutes. Let's see. Well, okay, maybe it needs to sit a little bit longer, but I'll wear it throughout the day and I'll let you know if what it looks like by the end of the day after I've eaten and all that stuff, because it says it's long wearing and calls it transfer proof. So maybe that means the same as waterproof. Where no, you can't actually put whatever it says is waterproof the camera underwater and it's okay. That's why they have cameras that go underwater. Maybe that's what they mean. Is, you know, it's it'll stay on longer than normal. Transfer proof. So it transfers a little bit, but not all the way like regular lipstick. Maybe? I don't know. We'll see how it looks by the end of the day, but this is pretty. This is really pretty. Am I still not a matte person? I'm still not a matte person, but I can say that this is pretty. It's just I prefer a little shine. I don't need a for me with lipsticks, I don't care if they're long wearing. I don't care if they're smudge proof. Doesn't matter to me. Um Probably because I'm not wearing lipstick with my daughter normally. And when I do wear lipstick, no, I don't kiss her and stuff like that. And so maybe that would matter if I wore lipstick all the time like I used to. Um, but yeah, maybe, yeah. But this is pretty. This is pretty. There's no shine, of course, and because it's matte, it's not supposed to have a shine. So let's see. I've been talking a little bit. Let's try again. Yeah, it's still coming off. So I'm going with the, transfer proof as in not that it won't transfer, it just all won't come off like regular lipstick. Yeah, so if any of you guys were looking at purchasing this, I hope this helps a bit and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, this is pretty. It's a pretty red. I like it. It's it's still matte, but it's still it's a really pretty red, and I couldn't. It feels like a universal red. Yeah. So yeah, I like it. I like it better before it dried all the way down though, because I was really super excited. If it stayed that way, that would have been so pretty. But yeah, it's still pretty. Okay guys, this is what the Gwen Stefani lipstick looks like when I first put it on. And it's pretty, it is matte. We'll see if it transfers all the way. By the end of the day, if it's all gone, I'm not gonna reapply it. If I do, I'll take another video of what it looks like and if I really need to reapply it. So yeah, and this is in natural daylight. So yeah, I'll see you later. All right, guys, this is 6 hours with the Gwen Stefani lipstick on. And as you can see, it is coming off in between here. And it started coming off in between here when I first ate something. So the transfer proof is like when they say waterproof for certain things. It's a matte red, but it does come off. You definitely have to reapply it. So for me, the purpose of matte is why I'm wearing matte when I'm not a big matte fan is because I don't want it to come off. So I would just go for a regular red lipstick because I would have to reapply this, although it's still pretty. Yeah.